You know the Toyota Fortuner, right? That icon of toughness? Well, for 2026, you gotta forget everything you think you know. This is not just some minor update, no way. We are talking about a total reinvention, something that could literally reshape the entire full-size SUV market.
So let me ask you a question. Are you, by any chance, thinking about buying a full-size SUV this year?
Well, if you are, you might want to pump the brakes on that decision. Seriously. Stop right now. Because Toyota just dropped some news that could change, well, absolutely everything for you. So how are we going to break all this down? First, we'll look at how this Fortuner is totally transformed. Then we'll get into the fancy luxury makeover, the new smarts under the hood, and of course, the big one, the ownership equation. And then we'll wrap it all up with a final verdict. All right, first things first. We have to talk about the massive shift in its identity. Honestly, this is probably the most important change to grasp because it tells you exactly where Toyota's head is at with this thing. And let's be crystal clear about what this means. This is not just a facelift. We're not just talking about some minor tweaks here and there. Nope. What we're looking at is a vehicle that has been completely reimagined from the ground up. It's built to play in a whole new league. And this really hits the nail on the head. The Fortuner's whole legacy, its legend, was built on being this rugged, tough-as-nails truck. But you know, times change. People still want that toughness, but now they want it with a side of refinement. So Toyota's shifting gears. The new model, it's positioning itself as a premium urban SUV. I mean, it's finally designed to look as expensive as it actually is, right? Okay, so how exactly does it pull off that premium vibe? Well, let's dive into the luxury makeover. And we've got to start with that totally new look on the outside. Just look at these highlights. They create a completely new personality for the truck. You've got these super sharp LED matrix headlamps and this bold, aggressive piano black grille. It gives it this modern, almost menacing face. And get this, for the first time ever, it's sitting on huge 20-inch alloy wheels. That, plus a wider stance and stronger shoulder lines, it just creates this muscular but still really sophisticated look. It's a real head-turner from every single angle. And then you step inside and, wow, the jump to luxury is just undeniable. The cockpit is now a total tech hub. We're talking a 12.3-inch fully digital instrument cluster and a giant 14-inch floating touchscreen. Of course, it's got wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. But it's not just tech, it's about comfort, too. You get a 360-degree camera, heads-up display, ventilated seats, a panoramic sunroof, even a premium JBL sound system. This is, hands down, the most premium Fortuner interior we have ever seen. Okay, so it looks amazing inside and out, but looks are one thing. What's it like to actually drive? This next part is all about the heart of the new beast. What's under the hood and the new brains backing it all up. So that legendary 2.8-liter diesel engine, it's getting a serious power boost. We're now looking at around 220 horsepower. And trust me, that's a big enough jump that you are definitely going to feel it when you put your foot down. But here's the real game changer. For the first time, Toyota is bringing in a mild hybrid diesel system. Now, this isn't just about getting more raw power. It's about making that power smarter. It's going to help with fuel efficiency and deliver a way smoother, more refined ride. And all that new intelligence, it extends to safety too. The new Fortuner is finally getting Toyota's full safety sense package. This is huge. It means it now has all those advanced driver assistance systems, you know, like adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, blind spot monitoring, the whole shebang. It's a massive upgrade that brings it right up to speed with global safety standards. All right, so it looks incredible, it drives smarter, but let's get down to brass tacks. Let's talk about the thing everyone is really wondering about. The money. This next section is all about that smart money question. And look, let's not beat around the bush here. The top-end models, they're expected to go north of 55 lakh rupees. And yeah, there's no two ways about it, that is a lot of money. But, and this is a big but, that's not the whole story. You can't just look at the sticker price. The real secret to the Fortuner's success has always been this balancing act. A high initial price, yes, but against a surprisingly low long-term cost of ownership. And this kind of breaks it down for you. You can see here, service costs are just consistently lower than the competition. Getting parts? No problem, which means less time in the shop. And that new mild hybrid system we talked about, it's expected to help it get a pretty respectable 13 to 15 kilometers per liter. That all adds up.
But this number right here, this is the Fortuner's ace in the hole. After 5 years, this thing is expected to hold on to an incredible 60 to 65% of its original price tag. That is just phenomenal resale value, and it's what makes the total cost of owning one surprisingly affordable when you look at the big picture.
So we've covered the new look, the new power, and the money. Now it's time for the final verdict. Let's pull all these threads together and figure out if this is really the right SUV for you.
Okay, let's just lay it all out. Pros and cons. In the pro column, you've got that legendary bulletproof reliability, amazing resale value, and this huge jump in premium features and tech. On the con side, well, it's pretty much what you'd expect. That high initial price is a big one. The third row is still probably best for kids, not adults. And let's be honest, its size can be a real pain when you're trying to park it in the city. And yeah, you'll still hear that diesel engine.
So who's the ideal buyer for this thing? Well, if you're someone who wants a tough, no-nonsense SUV that you can drive for 10+ years without any drama, this is for you. If you're a family that spends a lot of time on the highway and you love that commanding presence on the road, check. And if you're someone who really wants all the latest luxury and tech, but you're not willing to sacrifice that famous Toyota reliability to get it, then yeah, they built this one just for you.
I think this quote really sums it all up perfectly. Toyota didn't just update it, they future-proofed it. And that feels right? With the new tech, the hybrid engine, the totally modern design, they've built a vehicle that's not just ready for today, but for whatever's coming down the road. Which brings us to the final big question. And this one is really for you to decide. After everything we've gone through, the luxury, the power, the smart tech, the long-term value, is this new Fortuner actually worth that premium price? Or is it all just a bunch of overpriced hype? What do you think?